Music is the most used form of entertainment in today's world, and most people listen to music at least once a day. This has become possible due to the availability of high-quality headphones. Wireless headphones and the inclusion of advanced technology have taken music experience to the next level. Samsung is a brand of excellence worldwide for its electronics and electrical products, including mobile phones and headphones. You're absolutely correct. Today, we've chosen Samsung Galaxy Buds for our music-loving subscribers.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. Samsung Galaxy Buds is a pair of uniquely designed and stylish earbuds that are made with high precision. It perfectly represents the quality signature of Samsung, and we believe you would love these amazing earbuds. These buds are made with high-quality rubber and silicone materials for enhancing comfortability. It comes with 3 sizes of ear tips, which make sure the buds perfectly fit in your ears. Controlling the sound, taking calls, and skipping music can be done using the fingertips. And yes, it comes with touch control. The Samsung Galaxy Buds are designed for delivering excellent sound and commendable bass, as the sound of these earbuds is tuned by AKG. It's got an optimized driver that generates fantastic bass, and the embedded volume driver captures low-end, mid and high-end with utmost precision. Samsung Galaxy Buds come with adaptive dual microphones, which mixes the sound of inner and outer microphones to deliver crystal clear voice calls. These Galaxy Buds are super easy to pair with Android as well as Apple devices. It's splash-proof with IPX2 technology. It will not get damaged from a splash of water or other liquid. The Ambient Aware option is great. It allows you to control how much surrounding noise you want to hear. These buds come with 58 mAh battery that lasts for 6 hours, and you can get an additional 7 hours of wireless charge from the carry case. It's time for us to investigate the user reviews of this fantastic pair of earbuds and find out what people are saying about it. Samsung Galaxy Buds have got 4.3 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 11,221 user ratings on Amazon. People love these buds for their sound quality, bass quality, material quality, and noise cancellation function. Here are some comments from users. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "Love this headpiece. It sticks on the ear perfectly. I've worn it for 5+ hours and it didn't hurt my ears. I've run with it and the motion doesn't make it come off. As for sound quality, it sounds good. Calling was perfect." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "Samsung Galaxy Buds fit my ears like a glove. Very comfortable, great sound, and I love that they charge on their own when you put them back in the case." Some people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "The thing about these earbuds is they're great in almost every way, except they unexpectedly broke on me after just sitting in its case for a day." That's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy Buds for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.